WhatsApp has introduced a new feature that makes adding people to a group faster and more convenient than ever. Let me show you how it works. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now go to any group where you want to add a new person. Then tap on the message box and type the @ symbol. This will open the mention list, where you normally see group members. Now start typing the name of the person you want to add, even if they are not in the group. If the person is in your contacts but not in the group, their name will appear with an Add option next to it. Just tap Add. In the confirmation window, tap Add again. And that person will be instantly added to the group. No need to go into group info or settings anymore. And you can continue your conversation without any interruption. This is especially useful when you're already chatting and realize someone needs to be part of the conversation. You can now add them instantly, right on the spot. So that's how you can instantly add anyone to a WhatsApp group using the @ symbol.